accommodation sila and may restaurant. This is Farm Ridge and Share 360 by Desmond Farm. Dito sa Pantabangan, Nueva Ecija. This is so amazing talaga. 360 view ng Sierra Madre. Oh my God, I'm so amazed. I'm so surprised talaga. Everywhere, napapalibutan kayo ng mga ng Sierra Madre mountain range, tapos magugulat ka, may view. Ayan. So nice, amazing. So much better than I expected. Ang ganda dito, promise. Ayan, pauwi na lang kami ng Bulacan. Nakita ko pa to. So next time we'll be here for staycation, most likely. Not just for food. We stopped over for